Hey everyone, this is the brightest 4K TV from Sony BRAVIA. So, if you're searching for that wow factor in a new TV, you might want to stick around. Sony is known for pushing boundaries, and this TV is packed with cutting-edge tech that promises to bring your movies and games to life. Ready to find out if it really delivers? Hit that subscribe button if you love all things tech, and let's get right to it. Okay, let's start with what makes your jaw-dropping picture quality. This TV has two super important things for awesome visuals: Mini-LED and QLED. Think of mini-LEDs like tiny, super powerful flashlights behind the screen. They provide super bright highlights and really deep blacks. Combine this with QLED, which is like wearing special sunglasses that make colors pop. So, imagine watching a superhero movie. Explosions will be blindingly bright, but you'll still see every shadow in that Batcave. That's the power of Mini-LED QLED. But a fancy display means nothing if the brain of the TV isn't up to the task. That's where Sony's XR processor comes in. It analyzes your movies, shows, and games in real time, tweaking things for the best possible look. If your old cartoon looks a bit blurry, the TV will clean it up. Notice some weird banding while watching a nature documentary? This processor smooths that out. It's like having a tiny smart artist inside your TV. Now, this wouldn't be a 2024 TV without smart features, and Sony's got you covered with Google TV. Think of it like a supercharged menu for all your favorite streaming apps. Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video. They're all there. The best part? Use your voice with Google Assistant and the TV does the searching for you. Say, "Hey Google, find something funny," and your TV will suggest comedies across every app you've got. If you're a serious movie buff, you're in for a treat. This TV supports Dolby Vision and Atmos. Imagine watching a movie shot in Dolby Vision. The creators fine-tuned the picture for the most amazing result. With Dolby Atmos, sound moves around you, not just left and right. Picture a helicopter chase scene. You'll hear it fly right overhead. Sony even has IMAX enhanced for special versions of big blockbusters, making your living room feel like a cinema. As for the gamers, this TV has features just for you too. If you have a PlayStation 5, the TV talks to it to adjust the picture automatically. Imagine starting a dark, spooky game. The TV knows and makes things even moodier. Switch to a colorful racing game? The TV knows and makes the colors pop even more. And don't worry about lag. Your button presses on the controller translate near instantaneously to action on the screen. If you're serious about your PS5, this TV takes the experience to the next level. Let's not forget those everyday uses. News, YouTube videos, even just flipping channels. The BRAVIA 9 makes it all look better. The upscaling tech really shines with lower quality stuff, adding details and sharpening up the image. And I gotta say, the sound is better than most TVs out of the box. While a soundbar really kicks things up, you might be surprised how decent it sounds without one. So let's talk about some potential downsides. First, it's not cheap. You're paying for some seriously amazing tech. Second, if you watch in a super bright room, even with its great anti-glare, some other TVs might perform better in direct sunlight. And hey, we all love options, and Sony doesn't support every single HDR format out there. So, do I recommend the Sony BRAVIA 9 Mini-LED QLED? If you want a mind-blowing picture, love techie features, and are ready to invest in the best, then absolutely. This TV delivers a home theater experience that's hard to beat. If budget is a bigger concern, or you primarily watch in bright rooms, there might be better options out there. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have more tech questions, drop them below. Keep nerding out, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.